There's another crazy offer going on right now, and you can earn $250 for free just by opening a Capital One checking account. No, there's no catch, and in this video, I'll be going over everything you need to know to be able to claim your $250 bonus. We'll go over all the easy requirements, how to sign up step by step, and everything else you need to know to receive your $250 payment, so make sure you watch this entire video. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing, so don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe before we get into the video. So this $250 Capital One checking account bonus takes less than 5 minutes of your time to sign up for, and I'm gonna go over everything you need to know. First off, what is the exact bonus? Capital One will pay you $250 for opening a brand new checking account if you use the code REWARD250. Simply put, Capital One will pay you for opening a checking account with them with a few requirements. So let's go over the step-by-step process of how you can sign up and receive this $250 bonus. First, you're gonna go to capitalone.com/bank/reward250. Once you get to this website, you'll see the offer here. So earn $250 with 360 checking, open with code REWARD250, and complete the steps below. So let's go through some steps and requirements. So first, scroll down here. How to earn your $250? You have to open the 360 checking account with the promo code REWARD250. You're going to set up and receive at least 2 direct deposits, each of $500 or more, within 75 days of account opening. And third, your $250 bonus will be deposited into your new account after you complete these steps. Now, you're probably asking, what is a qualifying direct deposit? So, a qualifying direct deposit is a regular periodic payment, such as a salary, pension, government payments, and other monthly income that occurs on an automatic clearinghouse, so ACH, or real-time payment network credit from your employer or an outside entity. I've been hearing that Venmo, Zelle, Cash App, and all of these other apps have worked as well. Now, you're probably wondering how fast the money hits. So, your bonus will be deposited into your account within 60 days after you have completed the requirements above. And this 60-day period begins the day after your second qualifying direct deposit. Capital One states it can take up to 60 days, but personally, mine hit in around 1 to 2 days, and I've been hearing that many people have had their bonuses come in just after like a couple days. So now let's go through a step-by-step process on how you can open your account and receive your $250 bonus. So all you would have to do is go to capitalone.com/bank/reward250 and click on Open Now. Once you click that, you're going to be met with this screen where it asks you if you have a Capital One login. Click yes or no. We're going to click no today. And just make sure that the promo code is active at the top here and click on continue. And then just put your first name, last name, and all the other information, and that's it. Just go through all the steps. It's that easy. Overall, this $250 bonus from Capital One is great because you get paid $250 with no other requirements. You can pretty much just withdraw this money after you get paid. But just remember that this money will be taxed, so you will need to pay taxes on your earnings. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.